Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: device model, Android version, and at least 500 MB free storage so installs don't fail. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and disable battery saver because it can block background services. If you plan to sideload, make sure you enable unknown sources temporarily, but only for the installer app. You will turn it off later. This gets you ready to download the correct Google Play Services package and avoid common permission roadblocks. You clear cache and data for both Google Play Services and the Play Store first, because stale data often blocks updates. Next, find the APK that matches your Android version and CPU architecture, ARM64, ARMyBi, or x86, and download it. Install the APK, accept runtime permissions when prompted, and then immediately reboot the device so services register correctly. After reboot, open Play Store and allow it a few minutes to synchronize accounts and restore background processing. You finish by forcing a stop of Google Play Services, then check the Play Store for an update and apply it. This often resolves lingering incompatibilities. Make sure your Google account sync is enabled, and if apps still misbehave, reset app preferences to restore disabled components. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference, and as a last resort, consider a factory reset after backing up data. If that's too risky, seek professional repair or manufacturer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.